Good morning, students. How are you all? Take out your English grammar book. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 19, pairing words. Pairing means pair. Pair means do. Two means pair. Some words are used in pairs. Some words are used in pairs. कुछ शब्द हैं जिनको हम जोड़ी में हम बोल सकते हैं. And they are joined with and. They join with and. The pairing words are joined with and these words always appear in the same order. चाहे आप सीधा लिखो चाहे उल्टा लिखो, उसका मीनिंग वही रहेगा. These words always appear in the same order. वो सेम वैसे ही लिखेंगे. For example, bat and ball. You can say bat and ball or ball and bat. They appear in same manner. Okay, जब bat and ball बोलो या ball and bat बोलो, एक ही मतलब है. Day and night और night and day. दिन और रात या रात और दिन एक ही हो रहा है. ठीक है. Now open at page 50. Some of the most common word pairs are given below: day and night, bat and ball, morning and evening, cats and dogs. Shoes के साथ में हमेशा क्या लगता है? Socks, jam and jelly. Isn't it? Now we will do exercise of this book. Look at the pictures and make word pairs with them. One is done for you. First, children, you look at this picture. आपको क्या करना है? ये पिक्चर को पहले आप देखोगे, फिर उसके दो कॉम्बिनेशन, दो पेयर्स बनाना है. यहाँ आपको ताला दिख रहा, ताला के साथ में चाबी, लॉक एंड की. ओके. नाउ sun and moon. Picture of sun. You can see the picture of sun and moon. Now bat and ball. Fourth is pencil and sharpener. Then cup and saucer. Saucers mean saucer. Saucer mean plate. Shoes and socks. Understood? समझ में आया? आपको क्या करना है? आपको इसका पेयर बनाना है. Now turn your page. Use the words given in the help box and make word pairs. Here, picture is not given, one box is given. In box, many words are given, and you have to find the pair of the word. For example, here woman is written. Woman किसके साथ में आ रहा है? Men के साथ में आ रहा है. Understood? Now we will read all the words, then we will join with the words. Woman, false, sister, ears, their, wife, relatives, windows, dark, me, down, ball, the moon, saucers, skirt, chairs, the queen, out, daughter, cold, animals, poor, white, girls, dogs, slow. Understood? अब आपको क्या करना है? These are the words and you have to make the pairs with the words given here. Bat and ball. Write BALL ball. Second is husband. Husband and wife. पति पत्नी. पति और पत्नी. Up and down. ऊपर नीचे. True and false. You can write the spelling of false from the given box. Tables and chairs. Boys and girls. If single boy is given, you will write single. If plural is given, you write plural. Boys and girls. Doors and दरवाजे और खिड़कियाँ. Doors and windows. The king and the queen. Single person. King, the queen. Cats and dogs, plural. Light and dark. Cups and saucers. In and out, अंदर और बाहर. Rich and poor, अमीर और गरीब. Fast and slow, fast और slow. Blouse and skirt. Black and white, काला और सफेद. friends and relatives, men and women, hot and cold, brother and sister, the sun and the moon, birds and animals, eyes and ears, here and there. Here मतलब यहाँ, there means वहाँ, यहाँ और वहाँ. Son and daughter, बेटा और बेटी. Friends and relatives 70 number. Friends मतलब दोस्त, relatives मतलब जो हमारे सगे संबंधी, उसको हम relatives कहते हैं. ओके. लास्ट इज यू एंड मी, तुम और मैं. अंडरस्टूड? दीज आर द पेयरिंग वर्ड्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, your homework is that you have to do this exercise in your book. In next class, we will do practice exercise of this lesson. So please learn these pairing words. Okay, thank you. Have a nice